Okay, Yema update day 2 is now 2:46 or thereabouts, and as we can see, the Oris is now saying it is 2:50 in the afternoon, and the Yema now says it is 3:12. So in 2 days it has gained, what are we up to, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27 minutes. I'm going to take it down now, put it on the time grapher, see what sort of mess that comes up back as. But at this point in time, I don't know what else to say. Just give me my money back, I guess. Anyone who owns one of these watches, put it in a watch winder, because supposedly they replaced the movement in this. Okay, so here we are back down on the time grapher. Same watch, same position, and this is what we're getting. Focus. And that's a whole lot of snow for a movement that's supposedly been replaced. And a bit of a issue with the rate. Beat rate's a little bit off. Should explain the insane level of gaining that it's done. Again, okay, lift angle I haven't set, but still, shouldn't usually matter. Purposes of seeing what it's going to do. Light on the subject. I don't know what else to do with it. It's a shame, and I'm not bashing Yema. This is I think the 4th or 5th one of the Yemas I own. This previous ones have all not had the in-house movement. This one does. And I don't know at what point they just say, you know what, let's give me a new watch or something. They haven't really been overly generous with offering anything other than sending me a shipping label to send it back each time. So it's so far spent more time in the air being sent back to France than it has in my possession. Again, the time grapher doesn't lie. That's why we buy them. That's why anyone who collects watches should definitely invest $100 in one, because they're worth every cent of whatever you pay for them. Yeah. You buy a watch that's over $100 and this is what you get. It's paid for itself now. You send it right back. It's pretty hard for them to argue that this is running right. You can't. It's impossible. Again, there it is there. All in the same. So it's third repair.